Welcome to Tierra Air Travel Scooter Rental. Always wear your helmet at all times for your safety. Insert key to turn it on. Insert the key, turn it on while lifting the seat. To open your little storage space.
For fuel tank, insert the key and turn it on to open it.
To start the scooter, make sure you lift the kickstand. Hold the rear brake. Press the start button and you're ready to go. Using turn signals is important for safety and letting others know where you're going. Check the brakes, throttle, and lights to ensure everything is working properly. Also checking your headlight to see if it worked properly to ensure your safety during the night. Inspect the tire for any damage or low pressure. Park your motorcycle at a designated area and lock the key when not in use. If you got a flat tire on the way, please search for local maintenance shop. But if there is any problem with the machine, please contact our company. Thank you.